Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm from class 1B Islamic Finance. And okay, here I will explain some of the points. The first is self-introduction. The second, description of people. Then description of the object, and finally description of the place. Okay, let's get acquainted. Let me introduce myself. My name is Silvi Silviawati, but people used to call me Ipe or Ivi, or you can call me anything. Hani can also. Okay, next I want to tell me my education background. I start from public elementary school 3 Cipayung. Then moved to Bandung at public elementary school 1 Jabundipa. Then I continued my education at Cisarua State Junior High School 1. After graduation, I went to High School 1 Cisarua. Then after graduating from high school, I tried to enter the Bandung State Polytechnic college through the SNPTN route, and alhamdulillah I finished the accounting department with the Islamic Finance study program. Yay!
They are my new friends in accounting, and I'm happy to be friends with them because they are nice.
Okay, next I will introduce my family. Okay, first I have 2 sisters, 1 brother and 1 little sister. My first brother name is Rusli. He lives in Cianjur and is married. Then the second sister named Rani. She also lives in Cianjur and is married. And my third sister named Siva. She lives in Cianjur and will soon get married. Then lastly, my sister named Sarah. She is now in the second year of high school and stayed on with me in Bandung with my father named Tata, and my mother whom I love very much, Yeti, and I'm very happy to have them. Okay, next I have a hobby of cooking cakes, walking, and snacks, and healing with natural nuance. And after that, I want to continue my career in the future to become a lecturer or whatever origin is big and halal. Okay, next point 2, the description of people, and I choose Najwa Shihab. Najwa Shihab is an Indonesia Print Center journalist, actress, feminist, and activist. She is known for starring in her own show, which is Mata Najwa. She was the second daughter of Quraish Shihab, niece of politician Ali Shihab. Her husband was named Ibrahim Sharif Assegaf, and she had 2 children named Ijat Assegaf and Namia Assegaf, who died after a few years of birth into the world. Why do I like Najwa Shihab? Because she really inspires me with her words that are very meaningful and through the truth. Besides that, Najwa, or who is often called Banana, has a beautiful face and a look that is a leader as well as an independent woman. This book also explains that we sometimes underestimate the people around us too much when people who are in the surrounding environment, both internal and external, also affect judgment and decision-making skills. Like Najwa Shihab, a well-known journalist who has been successful in her career where she has been in journalism for 17 years, there is no denying that the people she meets have a big impact on her. She realized that his profession brought many benefits as well as lessons, especially about making good decisions in every situation he was facing because different people had different lessons. Lena did so it made her wonder what made them officials or criminals successful in completing their mission. The point is that everyone is interrelated and influencing. It's just that others act as a farting foundation and yourself remains the main benchmark in decision making. Najwa got married at the fairly young age of 20 years. The dedication to marry Young was so powerful that he was still motivated in pursuing his career as a journalist. He thought that if he hadn't married Young, he would be able to do what he can do now. Similarly, the issue of his profession where he chose to switch from law to journalism when he entered his final year at university. Najwa was trained to become a lawyer in charge of making indictment, making replace and duplication to ex-witness in court, which was ingrained in Najwa's soul, so that it made him feel confident that his 4 years of struggle as a law student would make him successful in becoming a lawyer, judge or prosecutor in the future. In fact, he has applied at one of the largest locums in Indonesia and has been accepted as an employee. Again, Najwa got the opportunity to do an internship. Then she joined the internship program on the RCTI TV station. Even she was willing to leave her thesis because she wanted to seriously carry out the internship program. For the months he tried to become a television journalist and who would help through because of his aspirations, he completely changed his career decision and plans on the grounds that he fell in love with the journalist profession. And wait. The lesson that can be taken from Najwa's story is that everyone does not always look for and something that makes what they have learned first, because the experience we get every seconds becomes a new knowledge that has a great impact on anyone. The three for every experience is important, no matter how small or short, even as bitter as the expression gained in life. We should appreciate. We can make a choice just by listening to advice or looking at the experience of others. But we must have a concept that is a reference or guideline for the effort we are going to make. We will never know the meaning of an outcome if we never try and expression it, because there will always be a dedication behind the decision. For that, we must have facts and be able to take the time to really consider all the options careful. Good judgment or judgment can translate information into knowledge, so that it allows us to find patterns and be able to predict events when making decision. Okay, next topic 3. I want to tell you the next topic is to describe the object, and here I will discuss about flute. Okay, why flute? Uh, this is flute. The flute is a traditional musical instrument, and the flute is actually made of wood. But what I describe and what I currently hold today is a student flute made of nickel silver or silver plated metal. The shape is elliptical, like a five. At both ends, one is covered by bamboo segment and one end is cut so that it opens for the exit of air. The source of the distilled sound is produced from its host when blown. The number of holes in a distillery usually consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. This instrument is usually played as an accompaniment to other musical instruments in the staging of musical events. In addition, it can also be used as a solo instrument to accompany singing, but with a low voice to a high voice. Okay, here I will give an example of how to play the flute. But first, I am sorry because I'm not good at playing the flute. And Leslie learned to play the flute when I was in junior high school. But this is basic how to play the flute. Namely, the first, hold the flute properly with two hands, and two sticks. The first flute, the blow hole to the mouth. Blow the future rhythmical. Ini. This is close and open the finger to close the hole as the shirt. Okay. Okay, let's topic about description of the place. There are two. I was born in Cianjur. My hometown is a lot of rice fields, and the majority of jobs in my village are as farmers. And Cianjur rice is popular. Rice that is widely liked by some people either in Cianjur itself or outside the Cianjur area. The thing that I really like about my village is that it's still beautiful, with so many rice fields that make our brains and eyes fresh.
This is the atmosphere of my village in the afternoon. Cool and calm when you see the natural beauty that is still awake with an atmosphere that is still awake.
Next, third place is Cappadocia. And the movie that made Kenan well get broke out because that movie I went to go to Cappadocia. Apart from the fact that the film is made Kenan and Mas Aris, the other reason is because Cappadocia was an ancient district that situated in the middle of Anatolia, now Turkey. In the present day, Cappadocia, a tourist destination area that stretches from Western Kayseri to Aksaray, about 150 kilometers. Cappadocia is the largest underground city in the world. It was also designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in the year 1985. The uniqueness of Cappadocia is also inseparable from the existence of thousands of colorful hot air balloons that fill the city sky. Well, it's good and really beautiful, right? The next place is Mecca. where I want to take my parents and extended family to the house of God, and this is what makes me excited to life because I want to make my parents happy. In addition to having the Kaaba, which is a magnet for the Muslim world. The city of Mecca also has Hajar Aswad, which has many virtues. One of them is that the stone comes from heaven, which has many virtues. One of them is that the stone comes from heaven, which has a number of advantages, such as being the cause of forgiveness of sins and being able to give healing. And for pray, may it be realized. And thank you for watching, and see you next video. Bye.